Hi everybody, this is Jim Egan, head of Synapse School. I got a lot of great feedback about the initial video message from both parents and staff. I can also track the views on YouTube, trying not to get too obsessed with those things. So with that in mind, I thought I would give you an update about a very busy week here at Synapse. We have admissions deliberations going on this week. We have critical hiring decisions to make this week. But most importantly, it's the end of trimester 2. And with the culmination of that trimester is the interactive lab, which each year is the big event for Synapse. With that being said, we have had to make some tough decisions, and we're going to modify that lab experience. What does that mean? It means we're going to follow local health and California health guidelines and not have students or adults congregate in groups larger than 50. That means we can't have the lab experience that we normally have. What we do plan to do, and we're going to work on logistics tomorrow, Monday, with the teachers, is to have a guided experience for students by students. This is going to be done at various levels, meaning the appropriateness for the age will stay intact. I'm confident we can really have a wonderful learning experience for kids, but at this moment, the lab will be closed to parents, and we will not be operating the lab in groups larger than 50. Keep in mind, Friday is a half day, always was scheduled as a half day. That will remain intact. Speaking of schedules, we're also looking at the week ahead. I will do this each week, giving you a modified events schedule by the week. So if I look at the calendar, Tuesday we have a basketball game that will go on. That's for the middle school. Wednesday is constructivist practice. That's TBD. We're not sure if we're going to be able to have constructivists play on campus. I need to check with the band to see how large the band is. In some iterations, it's a pretty large ensemble. Thursday, our 7th and 8th grade girls basketball team is going to play their playoff game at Sports House nearby. And then on Friday, again, no lab and no assemblies that go along with lab as well. So that's unfortunate news, but that's what I wanted to update you on. I also wanted to remind you, if anyone is sick at home or sick in the family, please take note. Do your best to avoid coming in contact with those people. If students or teachers or parents show up to campus with cold or flu-like symptoms, we will be asking all of the above to go home and rest and recuperate. Okay, that is my message for you today. Again, we're not taking any of these decisions lightly. All schools are faced with something that is quite ambiguous, and we're doing the best we can to determine what we should do for our community. Each school head I talk to cares deeply about the safety and well-being of the individuals and the collective group that they lead. I, too, have that same feeling. Okay, be well.